Oba Joseph Oloyede, the Akpetu of Ipetumodu, have been arrested in the U.S. for being the alleged mastermind of a multi-million-dollar COVID-19 relief fraud. For months, the people of Ipetumodu, a town in Osun State, Nigeria, were left in confusion. Their king, Oba Joseph Oloyede, had been missing since May 2024. His prolonged absence became even more suspicious when the king failed to attend key traditional festivals that no king would ever miss. But the revelation came yesterday when U.S. authorities announced that the king had been arrested by the FBI on May 4, 2024 for defrauding the U.S. government out of $4.2 million. Apparently, the FBI had been investigating Oba Joseph for years. According to their findings, the king used 6 companies which registered in the US to falsely apply for economic injury disaster loans, funds meant to help struggling US businesses during the pandemic. Firstly, Oba Joseph allegedly forged documents to make it seem like his businesses were struggling. Then, he submitted fake tax returns and wage statements to qualify for the loans. Finally, instead of using the money for business recovery, he spent it on his own personal luxuries. What makes this case even more shocking is that the king wasn't working alone. The FBI claimed he also helped other criminals carry out similar fraud schemes, taking a cut from each fraudulent loan. Eventually, on that fateful day in May 2024, Oba Joseph Oloyede walked straight into the FBI's trap. When he traveled from Nigeria to the US to visit his family, agents arrested him on arrival. Now, the king has been in US custody ever since. Stay tuned for more updates as authorities intensify their investigations to catch the other accused. Join my cybersecurity masterclass today to start a profitable career and become a certified cybersecurity professional. Send a message now. Remember, crime doesn't pay. Stay safe.